BTCS stock analysis and BTCS stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. Look, I'm the only guy in the space that's done 43,000 videos over 5 years. And I'm not even just exaggerating the numbers. So you can check how much videos I have on this YouTube channel. You will see what I mean. So especially with BTCS, a little bullish market for sure. But it kind of died down here when I was waiting for a double break. It sort of didn't deliver. I do have like a win before that though. Here's the proof. It was nice. It was like 19th of May, and I just wanted to see a shift from 2 to like a $3 level, and it delivered and then came down a bit and then pumped out of nowhere. I'll appreciate that we broke 540, but in this particular instance, I'm just looking to double down this market, like even more. So how's all this going to look like? Well, I would love to see the price pull down, and if it does and gives me the shift, then and only then I'm buying. And if that's not the case, bro, then I guess I'm not buying it. You know what I mean? So I'll keep waiting. And if you want my exact place and all that good jazz, just click the first link in the description. 1,200 people already tried. It's absolutely risk-free, plus you get the picks.